Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable recent files from being tracked on your File Explorer window in Windows. So this could definitely be an annoying issue you guys might be running across here, where if you open up File Explorer, so I'll actually open that up here just for the sake of this tutorial, and you'll see a section that says recent files, and this could easily be cluttered with a whole bunch of files that you might be opening if you're downloading and running a lot of applications. So in order to disable the tracking of this, I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and we're going to jump right into it. Quite simple here. Very simple here. We're going to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in run. One of the best managers should come back to run right above app. Go ahead and select that. And I'm going to have a command in the description video. It's going to start with a %sign and then AppData. You just want to paste it in here. So Control V or right click and paste, whatever your preference to copying and pasting is. And you want to go ahead and select OK. So once you're in here, you want to tap Control A just to select all the files in here. Right click and then left click on delete. Once you delete it out of there, if we go back to this PC on the left side, so if we close out of here, it should clear out the list of any recent files that came up in the list, so if you had anything. Now, if you're looking to permanently disable this feature, you can go ahead and access the registry functionality too to disable it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. So if you're on Windows 10 or higher edition, I'm going to show you guys how to permanently disable recent files from showing up at all. So that'll be by opening up the start menu. You want to type in local group policy here. It should come back to edit group policy. Go ahead and left click on that. On the left side, you want to go ahead and expand the user configuration section, so ignore the computer configuration section. We can actually minimize that. And underneath user configuration, you want to expand the administrative templates folder. So either double click or left click on a little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Should be something here that says start menu and taskbar. You want to go ahead and left click on that. And now on the right side, there should be an option that says don't keep the history of recently opened documents. So just going to have to look through here for a moment here. You can actually click on one here and start typing. Do not keep, and there you go. Do not keep history of recently opened documents. Double click on that. Please note they might not all be in alphabetical order here. You might have to sort it or do what I did, just click on one and start typing it. So again, do not keep history of recently opened documents is the name of it. And you want to set this to enabled, and then left click on apply and OK. Want to know what that, close out of here. Again, that would apply for Windows 10 Professional and higher editions, meaning that will not work for Windows 10 Home Edition. And another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in personalization. One of the best matches should come back with themes and related settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Keep in mind with this modern UI, they constantly are changing different settings around between different versions of Windows 10, so this might not stand the test of time, this particular method, but I thought I would include it nonetheless. And you want to go select the start option on the left side, and now there should be something that says show recently opened items. Show recently opened items in jump list on start or the taskbar and in File Explorer quick access. Keep in mind it's grayed out in my case because we just disabled it in the group policy editor, but if we didn't do that, there'd be an option to turn this to the off position, so you just want to turn that off with disable recently opened items, and that's pretty much about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.